Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Peterpan token. Now this token just got listed recently on CoinMarketCap. Today they're doing very well. They are up 63.11%. Brand new token, brand new listing. Another meme coin, of course. This is meme season. Here we are. Ticker symbol is PAN, P-A-N. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Peterpan token, ticker symbol PAN. Peterpan.finance is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap along with their Etherscan, their Twitter, their Telegram, price chart, and contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the PAN token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second. So according to CoinMarketCap, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $497,000. Fully diluted market cap, $451,000, and market cap at $313,000. So besides that, on their webpage, they have a link to their roadmap, tokenomics, how to buy. In case you didn't understand what I said, they'll tell you how to buy on their webpage. They have the contract address, link to Uniswap, their Twitter, and their Telegram. So the Peterpan crypto token, your lovable hero in crypto. Have you tried the same old boring cryptocurrencies? Want to invest in something that's fun and unique? Look no further than Peterpan, the crypto meme coin that's taking the world by storm. Inspired by the classic story of a boy who never grew up, Peterpan is a lighthearted and irreverent coin that's perfect for those who don't take themselves too seriously. But don't let the playful nature of Peterpan fool you. This coin has serious potential for growth and could be the next big thing in the world of cryptocurrency. So if you're ready to fly to new heights with your investments, come join the Peterpan community today. So they go by how to buy, create a MetaMask wallet, send your ETH to the wallet, visit the Peterpan exchange page. So they have their own page basically, but it's probably an extension of Uniswap. They do have a link to Uniswap, like I said. And swap ETH for Peterpan. So they go over all that step by step, but in more details, of course, than what I already said there. So tokenomics, it does say 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token, you most likely will not have to change slippage. And if not, you shouldn't have to change it very high because there is no tax. Now it also says LP is locked and ownership has been renounced. So on their roadmap, it says pre-launch is the first phase with social media marketing campaign, in real life marketing. So maybe they'll have like billboards or they'll go knock on doors and hand out Peterpan crypto flyers. It's possible. Members growth, member tasks and giveaways, pre-launch calls. And then we got the launch phase of the second phase with continuation of in real life and online marketing. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing. So that's probably where we're at right now because they just got listed on CoinMarketCap recently. Could be on CoinGecko as well. Then trending, call channels, CertiK audit onboarding. So they probably don't have an audit right now, which can be sketchy. So definitely do your own research on this token if there is no audit available to look at. Then we have the wallet update. So they're going to have their own wallet update. And then after launch week 1 phase, it says here, first central exchange listing. So they should be getting that soon. NFT first look. So they're going to come out with Peterpan NFTs. And then token staking on customized platforms. So you'll be able to stake the tokens to earn new tokens. Get some interest or reflections, whatever you want to call it. Then we got growth on the platform. Then the full audit comes out. More marketing, more trending. And then phase 4, the final phase here, we got more tier 1 central exchange listings. And we got continuation of marketing online and in real life. Major call channels and trending everywhere. So almost the whole roadmap there, they're talking about marketing. So far, they only have 416 holders, according to their Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token. 2,277 total transfers. And a max total supply of 469 million PAN tokens. Now, their Twitter just joined in May 2023. So this is how brand new this project is. Barely even 2 weeks old, this Twitter here, at Peterpan_ERC20. It says, Pan, where Peter spreads his wings and goes to Neverland. And then they have the contract address, 1,778 followers so far, and only 10 tweets. So, let's see here. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap as their latest tweet. Their latest 2 tweets, actually, talking about how they just got 300 Telegram members. Just talking about holders, how the PAN token just launched. So yeah, everything's basically new. It was a stealth launch, they say on here. And that is about it. So and then on their Telegram, 366 members so far on the Telegram. You can find their Telegram at Peterpan Coin ETH. So check that out on there. Besides that, there's not a ton of information on this token. It's very much just a meme coin. Now it says, memes are a form of cultural currency. That's a nice way to put it, actually. And it talks about, let's see here, it's a form of cultural currency. Memes have become a new form of cultural currency, with certain memes attaining iconic status and a place in our collective cultural consciousness. By creating a meme coin, we are tapping into the new cultural economy and offering investors a way to participate in the world of memes in a more meaningful way. So right now, this token's up 46%. It's not doing too bad right now. You can check it out on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.